Hi guys, what's up? It's Scholar85 back with another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for the Xbox Elite Series 2 controller. So I actually picked this up yesterday. Thought I'd give it a little try out and stuff before doing a proper video. So, but yeah, what I've had a play with it and giving my impressions so far if I can. So, I've taken the top. Obviously, this is the top of the box, but that's what it includes. The carrying case and the charging dock are really nice addition. I mean, I didn't have the first one, but my friends had the first one and she really liked it, so she's actually got a Elite Series 2 as well. But so anyway, you open the box and it's presented to you like this. It's really heavy as well. I've noticed. So let me just put that to the side there for a moment. Inside the box you get a whole set of manuals in there. You get a braided cable, USB-C cable, because it's actually gone to USB-C now, which is there. I know it's a bit scrunched up, but yeah. So obviously, as you can see, there we go. It's gone to USB-C cable now, so that's nice. So yeah, obviously you get all that in that bit of the box. Yeah, and then moving on to the controller itself, you open the little tab at the back there, and that's where you connect your USB-C cable to the charging point thing. You open this. Sorry about this. And there's your controller. I've set it up to how I like it. So when you first get it, this little D-pad here will be on, and you'll get 2 extra paddles on the back that'll be on. Obviously this is all like a rubberized grip, so I'm kind of hoping you don't get the problems that they did on the first one where the grip peels off and then I'll have to send it back to Microsoft. But there we go. You've got 3 different profiles to choose from as well. Then when you turn it on, it lights up like that, and obviously you can switch between your profiles. So 3 profiles. I'll just keep mine on 1 because I've already customized it. Your D-pad, well, obviously your D-pad comes out like that, as does your thumbsticks. Let's put the long one on. That's not the long one. Where is the bloody long one? There it is. So that is really long. But yeah. You've also got your old style 361, which I actually quite like. You've also, on the back, got your paddles and your how far you want your triggers to go. So that's quite nice. On the top as well, you see they're grippy as well, so that's quite cool. The charging is apparently, I think it's a 40-hour battery life, so that's quite cool. Doesn't need any time I'm not using it anyway. It's connected up to the USB-C lead's connected up to the Xbox, and it just sits on its charger. So yeah, obviously your other pads are here as well. So they sit on the bottom. Another thing I quite like, but I haven't tried it out yet, is you can adjust the tension on your thumbsticks. So there's 3 settings. So yeah, that's a nice addition. I quite like my thumbsticks quite loose anyway, sort of how they are on the Xbox One. So kind of like that, just normal loose. So, but yeah, you can also in the app, you can also adjust your, obviously remap your buttons. So I've remapped these two buttons on the back to be one for taking recording of videos and one for taking screenshots. And then I've also adjusted the brightness of the Xbox light there, which you can do in the app, and you can adjust how intense you want the rumble as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, I paid $159.99 for it. I mean, it's going to be my daily controller, so it's going to get a lot of use. And it helps with the fact that I can, when I get the Xbox One Series X, when that comes out this year, I can take this over as well. You know, it's a really expensive investment for me, because I use because I use these controllers quite a lot. It's a worthwhile investment. I would say if you're, you know, you don't game a lot, you're just an average, you know, put it on maybe a couple of hours every day, this controller isn't going to be for you. If you're a hardcore gamer, you really enjoy your games, this controller is going to be a worthwhile purchase, in my opinion, for you. Yeah, I really, really like it. I didn't think I would. I mean, yeah, I looked into it before buying it, and also this is all magnetized as well. When you set it on there, when it's plugged up to USB, it vibrates and stuff to let it know it's charging. But yeah, so that's my impressions. I used it last night, and yeah, really, really liked it. Really comfortable. Not at all as heavy as I thought it was going to be. But yeah, guys, that is my Xbox One Elite Series 2 controller unboxing and impressions. Yeah, if you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Cheers. Bye bye.